Another one of these once again. I think this is the third one for this puzzle vision arc. Yeah, it is. So we got Scooby Doo. No wait, it's Scooby Mario. Okay. This will be fun.
Scooby Mario, where'd you go? Get off your ass and help us. Scooby Mario, where'd you go?
Oh my god.
Lost on purpose. 'Cause Mario, if you come through for once, I'll give you a spaghetti snack. Scooby Mario, where'd you go? I pray to God you'll perish.
Oh my god.
Nice of the princess to invite us over for a picnic.
Oh,
Mario.
birthday
I hope she made lots of
Pizza pie.
What's wrong, Scoop?
Pizza pie.
Well, kids, looks like it's time for another Mario's Mystery. Well, gang, looks like we've got a Scooby Mario mystery on our hand.
Did they say Mario?
It's a nightmare. Simply a travesty. Such a...
Yeah, you bark at that man.
Do you want the ball?
Sorry.
Why'd you shut him out?
Is cancelled. My pizza chef, Bob, is missing.
Wait, Bob?
Jeepers! Jinkies!
Wait, what if he just went home?
Oh, wait, did he just say... Oh. Wait till Lillian sees this video, because that one, she wanted him to say that, since he's Fred and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
Yeah, definitely.
Mamma mia. Oh, those are Bob's favorite Yeezys. He never goes anywhere without his Yeezys.
So, Bob's still here somewhere.
All right, gang, we'll solve this mystery. Let's split up and search for clues.
Okay!
Okie dokie.
This is honestly gonna vibe. I can't wait till Lillian sees this video.
Zoinks! Zoinks! Zoinks!
Ooh, very scary.
Aren't they lovely? I got these beautiful animatronics for a good price at a garage sale. But that's not important.
They
My
look-
poor
they're like
precious Chef Bob is still missing.
Maybe he's a animatronic now?
È tutto armatato. Se non ne rappettani finiti.
That's what I'm saying. Oh.
Dopo il fratello.
Pizza.
I'm very hungry.
Ecco tutto, sembra rete.
What?
La la la.
Mario.
Mamma mia. Luigi. Ma tutto ripeto.
Gang, there's a slight chance Pizza Chef Bobby is being held hostage behind this door. So we do
What?
this with tact. Oh, get down! Oh, there's nobody here. Okay,
Oh
gang,
my God!
Let's look around.
I can't see! I can't!
What happened to Tony? That's Bob.
Miss, I am terribly sorry. Please, accept these flowers so that I may atone for my terrible behavior. I shall not take up any more of your precious time.
That would be my reaction.
and they on my eyes. They eat my ass just like apple pie.
I can't see anything. Jinkies! A loose brick.
Oh crap.
I'll just put it back into the wall to maintain the structural integrity of
Hey, you found something.
Oh my god, it's that theme song again.
Is that?
Yes, it's me, Mr. Puzzles, and I invite you to come on down to Mr. Puzzles' Pizzeria. Our lovable animatronic pals are just dying for a new friend.
Hey, look!
Hey, there he is.
I knew we'd find him. Mystery solved, gang. Now let's wrap it up and go home.
Only $20 a slice. Now say goodbye to your friends, Luigi.
Goodbye to your friend, Charlie.
Bob was cleaning one of the robots
What
in
the
the
heck
video.
did Puzzle Vision
Maybe
do
he
to
locked
them?
himself in the maintenance room.
Worth a shot. Hopefully we don't run into that creepy animatronic, though.
I'm a little bit scared right now.
Can I have a slice?
Yeah. Hey, potato.
Cringe!
Run! Run!
Try again.
Holy
Oh, he's got a
I
gun.
didn't see that coming.
Oh god, oh my god, he's dancing.
Why are we still here?
Come and go!
Oh my god! Oh my god. Open that door. What is this?
That's how you get red sauce. This isn't what it looks like?
What just happened back there?
Uh-oh.
Oh crap, what's that? Hi, Itty Bear. What?
Nice to see you, too.
Guys, you're okay!
Oh. Piazza Matador d'Onore.
That thing is probably what took Bob.
Oh.
That thing was an old animatronic Mr. Puzzles got years ago. Bob was working here during that time. It has to have taken him.
So, how do we get it back? If we can capture the animatronic somehow, it can lead us straight to Bob.
Good idea. We'll just need something to distract it.
Oh, no. No, 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 no.
Screw you guys, I'm going home.
Would you do it for a spaghetti snack?
Ooh. That's why they're called spaghetti.
Hey, plumber boy, mustache man, your worst nightmare has arrived.
Change my mind.
I don't want to do this.
That's cool and all.
Oh, the metal pipe.
Huh?
Attack on Titan, Tokyo Ghoul. These hentai babes make me drool. Fairy Tale, Soul Eater.
Why am I vibing to this?
Meat Beater, Attack on Titan, Tokyo Ghoul. These.
So long, gay Luigi.
Oh my god!
It looks like you're toast.
Oh yeah! They outsmarted him.
Bread.
Your animatronic pizza thieving days are over.
And I would have gotten away with it as well if it weren't for you lousy kids.
All right, buddy, tell us where he is. Where's Bob?
Bob the chef? I didn't do anything to him.
Oh, he's lying. Where is he?
What? You mean you didn't kidnap Bob and then try to kidnap us?
Kidnap? Why, heavens, no! I was just doing what I was paid to do. And that's to play with the guests.
Guys, I think he's telling the truth. I think he was just lonely.
Oh, he just like me. Just like me, for real.
You can't fool me. Ah, that's a lost this guy already.
SMG4, wait! Oh, dude, what the hell?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I thought.
Now they're in jail.
Mamma mia. Oh.
Pizza pie.
Sup, losers?
Oh, there he is.
Yeah,
I
I
was
went
getting
to
away.
prison a
Supposed
year
to
ago
be in
because
the
of
puzzle.
some meddling kids interfering with my
Special cooking.
And so I'm here now as the prison chef.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Well, looks like we solved that mystery. Hey, gang.
We sure did, SMG4. We sure did.
Scooby Mario, where'd you go? I pray to God you'll perish.
Okay. Okay. That was in fact cool, but I gotta say, in fact, this scene was the scariest. Like, this scene was like, what the actual flip is going on? That's why I don't trust him. Let me check for banner change. Oh, and what do you know? The banner just changed again! And look at that. We got 2 more weeks left. So we got 2 more Saturdays. And yeah, it updated. And we're almost there to find out how to defeat this puzzle fish. Okay, that's weird. Because last time he was not smiling. He was like, ugh. Now he's just like smiling with his stupid little grin. I'm giving this 5 star. Let's see. It's 4 star. 4.5 star. 4.5 star. Ooh, okay. Anyways, that's all for today. Bye bye.